This 10-minute low impact at-home workout is perfect for building strength with a simple chair and your body weight. Let's get started with a gentle twist. Tap your toe out. Let's just begin to warm up our bodies, wake up our joints, get that oxygen and blood circulating throughout our bodies. Real simple exercises. They may not be easy for you yet, but just follow along, do your very best. And if you stay consistent and show up daily for yourself, you can build amazing strength, mobility, balance, all those great physical attributes we want to have as we age with simply 10 minutes or so of movement done daily. All right. Very gently. We're just going to squat down a tiny bit. Bend your knees. Rise up tall. Swing your arms intentionally. Any one of these exercises we do, be done for 30 seconds, 1 minute throughout your day. If you start stacking on bouts of movement, it will add up. We don't need to spend hours in the gym. 5 minutes today, 7 minutes tomorrow, 2 minutes the following day. Just keep finding ways to move dynamically. And we truly can build amazing strength as we age. Okay, wonderful. Maybe from a seated position, you can take your chair. You just want to sit for a minute and we can do calf raises. Just simply bring your heels up off the ground. Great for building strength in our calf muscles, ankle mobility. Sit up nice and tall. Core stability as well. If you like it from a seated position, great. But you can also, standing. We have our chair here. I'm standing. I can use the chair for assistance when I need it, or I'm feeling good. I can just use my own body weight to build amazing leg strength. We know people with strong legs have sharp minds, longer, happier lives. All right, nicely done. Now, the best exercise, I think, a simple sit to stand. Join me. Bring all your attention into this movement. We all sit in a chair. We all like to get out of the chair. We'd like to do it with strength, ease, well into our hundreds. How often do we practice? Every time you get up, you could do this 5 times, 10 times. Could you do it 100 times throughout your day? We're building mobility in the ankles, knees, and hips. Strength in our legs, balance, stability, great core strength. What if we brought all of our attention and awareness to each time we sit and stand, building that present moment awareness as well. We do it with a little bit of pace. Let's finish off the last few going a little quicker. Oh, now we're starting to add a cardiovascular element to it. Hallelujah. Last one. Brilliant. With our chair, we can come to the top of our chair. And let's just start there. A wonderful place to do some push-ups. Do as many as you can. Try to keep a flat back. If those are feeling easy for you, you can use the countertop, the back of your couch as well. You want to challenge yourself a little bit more. Come down a little lower. Eventually, maybe, we get down to the floor. From our knees, an amazing strength building exercise. Do what you can. Take a break if you need. Come back when possible. And then before we know it, we're doing full body push-ups. Come on up with me. We have our chair. Let's use it. Side leg raises. Amazing for creating more mobility in our hips. Balance. You need to engage the core here. Use the chair, but possibly, I don't need it for a couple. Build some real balance. One more. And I can quickly move my chair. One leg, the balance will be better than the other. That is normal. Use the assistance when you need it. And if you can, a couple without. Nicely done. Last one. Brilliant. Now, from a seated position if you like. You feel like, I just want to take a seat now. Stand to do it if you want. I'm going to sit. Simple. Pulse your arms. Pump them up and down. Keep them up nice and high. You're going to feel that very soon in the shoulders, upper back. You got 20 seconds. Hey, I can do this movement. It's going to build strength. Compound it day in and day out. And we can build amazing strength. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Shake it out a bit. Since we're seated here, I'm going to position myself a little bit better. We're going to come into our sit to stand again. Just nice and steady. 3 rounds of these today. They truly are just a perfect, natural movement that we can do anytime, any place. And maybe we start to look at chairs and park benches as opportunities. Great place to sit and rest, but also an opportunity to find ways to move our body, to continue to build mobility and strength anywhere. Last one. When we come here, I invite you, come up onto the balls of your feet. Hold it there for a second. Just notice. Build balance. Maybe you stumble and fall. Just come on back to it. Hold it. Are you ready? We're pushing again. Back of your chair. The wall. Wall push-ups are amazing. Find a way. Can we do 10 together? Well, if we can do 10, we can do 11. Do your best. Try to keep a nice, flat back. Think of keeping alignment from the top of your head all the way to your heels. Take a break if you need it. Come back when you can. Clearly I've lost count. One more. From this position, let's stretch it out here. Oh, this is such a wonderful stretch. Again, your countertop, the back of your couch. Real full body stretch. Sink a little deeper into it. Oh yeah. Oh, rise up. Last round. Sit to stand. Hopefully we got our heart rate up. You feeling it? Brilliant. This is the last exercise for this session. We're gonna build amazing leg strength. I think I can. I think I can. Let's go for 10 all together. Here we go. Breathe in and out. In, out. Full awareness right here. One more for good measure. Yes. Are you feeling stronger? I hope so. Just keep showing up for yourself. The smallest amounts of movement can do wonders to help us age with real strength, trust, and confidence in our bodies. I will see you again real soon. Goodbye for now.